So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Notepad. Click on it. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in shutdown space -s space -t space. And now you're going to type in a number of when you want your shutdown to be. So for example, if I type in the number 2000, after I copy and paste this command into command prompt, my computer will then shut down after 2000 seconds. So if I head over to search real quick and I type in calculator, if I do 2000 divided by 60, that's going to be 33. So it's going to shut down in 33 minutes. If I make this number, for example, 1000, so I do 1000 divided by 60 and click on equals, the number will now be 16. So now my computer will shut down in 16 minutes. I hope you guys get the point. So just put any number here that you want, which is going to be in seconds. And then when you copy and paste this command, that's when your computer will shut down. So for me, I'm trying to keep it on shutdown -s-t space 2000. So now that we have this, for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we can now copy and paste this command. So you want to highlight it, do Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And you're now going to be getting this right here. This pop-up is going to be telling you Windows will shut down in this amount of time that you selected earlier. And you could also create a shortcut on your desktop, so you could just select this whenever you want. So to do that, you want to right-click on your desktop, and then click on New, and then click on Shortcut. And now you want to copy and paste that same command, and then click on Next. You can call this anything you want. Click on Finish. Now we have it right here. So every time you click on this, it will then run that. And then your computer will then shut down in the amount of time that you selected earlier.